garden day, but not for me, for Lainey, my mom. And I'm just here to bother them and supervise and record it, which I think is gonna be funny because they'll just be annoyed the whole time. I'm probably just gonna take them off, but I just did them all. Oh, my dog's barking because someone's here that he can't see, another dog. His best friend's outside, but your best friend doesn't like you anymore, so you can't see him. Carrots, so you could grab cucumber, carrots. You're not gonna wear gloves, Lance? It's pretty soft.
What kind of cucumber?
It's because you're one with the earth.
Both kinds.
Okay.
And then, did you see what I got? I want to see if this will work in the back. They're going to grow it or give us some good dirt back there. So let's try to do lettuce, beans, and peas.
Okay, so all of them.
Except the sunflowers.
Except flowers.
Except sunflowers and pumpkin. Okay. Here we go.
They don't have an easier just to say.
I'll meet you guys on the deck. Look who it is.
We're famous.
You guys look fun walking this way. See, I don't like going in the grass over here because I saw a snake over here. But they garden right here. And I wish I could see them more from the deck, but I really can't. Maybe I won't be a chicken and I'll go down there, but I really don't want to. Sorry, it's a fear of mine. What do you want me to do? Look at that random piece of toilet paper just sitting right there. That's like a 2020 ad. Someone coming and stealing that. I don't know what they're saying. I kind of want to know.
Hi.
I thought you guys were going to be more proud of me.
We are so proud.
You're just like, hey.
Hey.
We're working.
The most anticlimactic thing I've ever seen.
We think it's because you should have been doing it all along. Scary. It's so nice down here.
Well, not when you've been traumatized down here.
If I'm brave, you can be brave. That's right.
But what if you're just braver? That's not how bravery works in movies.
Oh wait, maybe there's some more ticks.
Ticks.
Some more sticks.
If that was ticks, that was so chill. Lainey, there's more ticks. Watch out.
Yeah. Lainey, can you take that guy off?
Hey, I'm doing this.
All right, do it.
Love it.
Do it then, girl. Strawberry.
It's hard being mature. What?
You see that there's some.
Whoa. Beautiful.
Aren't those nice?
Don't look at me.
I'm not. Wow, that's pretty, Chubb.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna eat tomorrow.
Cute. Okay, let's see the other one.
And then these came back from last year. These are all strawberry plants right here. See that flower?
Whoa.
It's kind of clumsy. That's why I call her Grace. See all these blooms right here? These white,
Uh-huh.
white.
Those are all
gonna
raspberries?
be
Why are there white flowers on them?
These are the blooms for strawberries.
Oh, they have flowers on strawberry
This
bushes?
is a raspberry bush.
Well, that's super cool.
Lainey, did you see where it is? I put it here so when he gets big, he can lean on here.
I didn't know strawberry bushes had flowers come off them too.
Yeah, they're blooms.
I wonder if I've ever seen
They're
them
not
in public.
flowers. No. They're not flowers that you'd give away because that is the strawberry, where the strawberries are grow.
Oh.
It blooms as a
Your
flower.
favorite character was Strawberry Shortcake. How did you not know that?
You're right. I should have known the history of every strawberry plant known to man.
It's not it's just plain
You only know that because Mom told you. That's not plain knowledge. No one in the world, not no one, but more. I would say more than.
Seeing how the
I knew
lemon
that.
plant works, now we can see that.
Yeah,
When
but I would say more than like 30% of the population doesn't know that there's a flower on the strawberry plant.
Yeah.
The flower turns into the strawberry.
Yeah. So
Oh wow.
Mom, why are you kneeling in the dirt?
Because she's a farmer. She's a farmer's girl.
I'm trying to get
Mom, you do this.
I have to do that. So it's, oh, because that hurts my knees.
You look like you're a dog swimming.
Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, she looks like she's up in her element. Is this hose on?
Yes. I mean, you have to turn it on there.
Oh,
Don't spray it at me.
I was going to. In this little garden oasis.
Right?
You guys should spend more time down here.
I do. I go down here every single day.
Oh my
and water.
goodness.
Oh.
Mom, these seeds are just the dried peas.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Don't you love how it's worked out like that?
That's kind of cool.
It's very cool.
They're just dried seeds.
Won't be here when it's after, but
Well,
this would
we'll
be a
show it
cool
to you.
before. Okay, before, and then you can send me the after picture. She probably won't, but. Oh, we're taking a picture?
Yeah.
I probably won't be in the after. I'll be at school.
No, you won't be in the after probably.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Isn't thinning like when you take
when we
them
have to take them
out?
out? So we'll
Oh,
put 'em
genius.
close. She is a genius. She
Yeah.
has a wolf badge on this.
Garden girl.
Taught it.
I can do it.
No.
No. Oh, those are my favorite little guys.
Here, so you can put that steak in there. So we
Mom's like, Gracie should plant one. Lainey's like, no.
put it in.
These are my favorite. Didn't you used to have these that sit in our kitchen
Yeah, we
too?
do have those.
We
yeah.
have fruits and vegetables.
I already called those for when Mom dies, by the way.
Not a
road
chance.
is.
Before
if
you were
something
born, I
goes up,
called
we
that.
don't, pick it out.
So where do you want me to put them?
At the edge of this. Oh, so we. Oh yeah, I guess. I was gonna say I can't see what it says. Or should I do it on this side so we can see it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Brains are being used.
Brains are being. Lainey.
She's a funny chub.
And you can hand me some, I'll do some of that stuff.
No, only her apparently. That's not 6 inches.
We're gonna thin them out. So as they start to, because then, see, we made this so that you could just grab from each side. That's why we got it this wide.
Oh, this is called a raised bed, right?
So raised bed.
I saw this in a garden video once. It's kind of genius.
The pea pods say it needs to grow.
Gardener fights. How is it working with an amateur?
Oh no, it says pods.
What do you mean? Oh, her? She's the amateur? Okay, good.
How
Okay,
is
you're
it?
talking about me for a second.
We're
It's a
interviewing.
little frustrating, but, you know, I gotta deal with it.
Yeah, you do. How does it feel since you've had years of experience under your belt?
I mean, I'm confident and I know what I'm doing. She needs help a lot, but
24 inches.
Fair.
look at these are what this is what this goes
yum.
from.
I'm gonna eat one.
So Lainey,
Oh,
the next
okay.
plant has to be like over a foot away.
You won't have enough space in this
We're
thing.
thinning. That's what that means.
How do I zoom in? Teach me. What the heck? Look at me having a job. Working. Wow, I'm really carrying the team right now, huh, Lance?
Okay.
This guy got away from that.
That's very funny. Thank you.
What's wrong?
She just sprayed me with the hose.
Huge.
Just a little. This is not the reaction I was hoping for.
We don't like to get
What? I thought you guys liked your gardeners.
Not till like, I don't know. Not till it's like the middle of summer.
Oh, I thought it was.
Okay.
Mom, someone help me. There's literally a bee in my ear.
It went away.
I have too many things.
What are we gonna do? Catch it in our hand and eat it? How are we gonna help you?
Yeah, but it's literally in my ear, so just help
Nothing's
me,
around.
maybe.
Nothing's around.
It's gone. It's right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Here, we'll do 2. You're fine.
What's that ringing in my ear?
Your craziness. Haha.
Very easy.
What are you talking about?
What's that sound?
Oh.
I didn't know it was in between my fingers.
I'm the only one here with 20/20 vision. You all have glasses.
Yeah, which means my vision is better.
How do you having glasses means your vision is better than mine? If you took those off,
Glasses.
you don't stand a chance.
Okay, well I have them on.
She has them.
So
But if we were in a